What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have vz101067, and this is one of our vicrez LDZ style rear diffusers, and this is one of our carbon fiber rear diffusers as well. Now this is for the Infiniti Q50 fitting 2018 to 2021 models. Now let's go ahead and unbox this and show you what it looks like. Now of course, we do try to protect these. We do have foam in the box as well as wrapping it in foam. And then we do go ahead and wrap it in another layer of foam because as you guys can see here, it is exposed here. So we do wrap the entire thing in foam as well. Now, this is one of our LED rear diffusers, so it does have the LED light pre-installed for you guys, and the wiring is in on the back for install. And don't you just love this gloss carbon fiber look? Now of course it does have some styrofoam on it. This is our carbon fiber rear diffuser for the Infiniti Q50. And then on the back top edge here, you can see we have 3M tape for install. And then, of course, you'll still want to mark holes at the bottom to drill in and rivet it in place or bolt it in to make sure it's securely in place. Now that's pretty much it for this rear diffuser. If you want to see more of our products just like this one or some more carbon fiber stuff, please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. And make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.